Hello from Slovenia again. I have quite a lot of this glue mixture paints left, and I have some polyacrylic and PVA glue mixture in it, and I will just try to do a flip and lip kind of on this little round canvas that I did. I don't know what was it was a colander pour, I think, that I didn't like, so I will just try to pour this. There is no silicone in this, just my pearl white, gold, copper and alizarian crimson, just to use those paints, because I did this experiments that didn't work for reverse flower dips, and I didn't mean to add white. And I have a ton of this pearl white mix that I can't use anymore because it just doesn't work. Let's see what will happen with the flip cup. This is so sticky. I was really hoping to do something to help you, because I know that you can't buy the same products for reverse flower dips that I do, so, but obviously this doesn't work. Okay, let's do that. Let's flip this, and this paint is so thick. Let's see if pearl white will take over here too. So I have way too much paint on the canvas. Okay. Not bad, but don't like that part here, so I will just go with the skewer and try to break that part a little bit. A ton of cells. I like some of them. But I don't know if they will still growing. Like those gold cells here on the red. But I'm not happy with this composition, so since I have a ton of paint, I can tilt this part off that I don't like. Okay, let's leave it like that. So here is a close-up of my red planet. See a ton of cells. There are copper cells here, and on these golden ones you see a dendrites around forming, so really weird. And here with the pearl white, really weird things. And it's a lizard here, you see? So, lizard on a red planet. I don't know. These experiments didn't go well, I think so. But it's always nice to experiment with something. I really don't like those cells here. Vallejo doesn't like glue, obviously. So, this is it for today. Join me tomorrow for my live, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will probably do a reverse flower dip experiment with these little piggy pigments, and probably it will be a struggle again. So, see you on the next one. Bye!